Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to format and delete all the information off of a specific micro SD card. So if you want to just delete everything all at once, this is easy to do. Let's go down to the bottom here and go to System Settings. Left side of the screen, let's scroll on down. Go to System Settings, go to the right, scroll on down under here, go to Formatting Options. Then we can go to Format Micro SD Card. All data on the micro SD card will be deleted and it will be formatted so it can be used with this console. So if you are inserting a new micro SD card, you probably have to format it right here. So let's go to Format Micro SD Card. Formatting will delete all the data on the micro SD card. It is recommended that you back it up. So for all the screenshots, videos, and other important information, back it up to a PC. Then we can go to Continue. And it says always turn off the power before inserting or removing the micro SD card. So if you're inserting a new micro SD card, go ahead and format it, and then it should work with your Switch. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.